Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm going to bring on my trip to Europe. It's mainly going to be what I'm bringing as far as makeup goes because I don't really have my clothes picked out yet, but I'm going to give you kind of an idea of what type of clothes I'm bringing and all that kind of stuff, what I'm putting in my carry-on. So if you want to see that, just keep on watching. So I got this travel makeup bag. It's super big and I'm not going to be bringing nearly as much makeup as what will fit in here, but I'm just going to be showing you like what I am bringing and like what kind of stuff you should bring when you're traveling. So this is what the inside looks like. You can like take these things out and stuff and like rearrange it how you want, but it also has like a little brush compartment at the top and like a little zipper to put like whatever else in here. I think I'm going to put palettes in here. So the first thing I'm going to be bringing is this flat foundation brush, and I'm just going to put this in one of the brush holders on the top. And then I have this fluffy brush that I use to put my bronzer on. Then I have this blush brush. Well, I don't think it's a tapered highlighter brush, but I use it for my blush. And then I have this setting brush. And then I have a couple eyeshadow brushes. I have 3 double-ended eyeshadow brushes, and these are super great for travel. So I have 3 dual-ended brushes. When you bring these, you have 6 brushes in total, so they're like a great thing for traveling. But yeah, I have 3 of these, and then I have 2 regular brushes. Now I'm going to be bringing 2 palettes on my trip. I'm going to be bringing the Yes Please ColourPop palette. I really like this. It has like a wide variety of shades, and it has like very like reddy orange kind of colors that I really gravitate towards. So I really like this one. And then I'm going to bring the Tartelette in Bloom palette. I mentioned this in my June favorites. This is like my favorite palette ever. It has like all the neutral shades that you could need, and I absolutely love the mirror on it. I don't know if you've seen in my videos before, like the mirror just like peeping up, because I always use this palette for the mirror and just because the palette is amazing. But yeah. And I'm just going to put these 2 in the zip compartment of the little bag. Next I have one foundation, and it's the ColourPop No Filter foundation. I did a review or first impressions thing, and I'll link that down below for you guys. And the concealer I'm bringing is the Tarte Shape Tape. Absolute favorite. Love it. And I'm going to be bringing 2 primers. I have the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer and the Wet n Wild Dewy Primer. And I have 2 setting powders that I'm going to bring. I have the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder and the Maybelline Fit Me Powder in Translucent. Now as far as like all the face makeup stuff goes, like bronzer, highlight, blush, I'm bringing the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I have the shade Toffee, and I'm going to be using this as a bronzer. And then I also have the Balm Desert bronzer slash blush. I really like using this just as like an all over kind of color when I'm feeling like really lazy, so this is like a good product, and the packaging is like absolutely adorable. Okay, it's not gonna focus, forget it. So I have 2 brushes that I'm gonna bring. They're both mini size, and like travel slash mini size products are always like super great to bring, but I have this Tarte 12 Hour Amazonian Clay Blush, and this is in the shade Party. I think I got this as like a birthday gift from Sephora, but yeah, it's a great shade. It's like very nice for every day. And then I have the NARS Orgasm blush, and I got this as a birthday gift from Ulta, so they really come in handy. And like I chose 2 different blushes just because they give like a different kind of vibe, I guess. Vibe, look, whatever. And then I'm only bringing 1 highlight. I have the ColourPop Flexitarian highlight. I absolutely love this one. One of my favorites. Love it. So I'm bringing 2 brow products. I have the Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Brow Pencil. I really like this one. I just started using it and it's really great. And then as far as eyeliners go, I'm only bringing 2. I have the Maybelline Lasting Drama Matte in Jet Black. It's just like a twisty pencil thing. And then I have this Jaunted Blue eyeliner pencil in charcoal, and I got this in my BoxyCharm and I haven't tried it yet, but I figured like if I go for a more natural kind of look, which is very likely on this trip, that I could use this because it's not like completely black, so yeah. And then the mascara that I'm going to be bringing is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I really like this one. And this is super excessive, but I'm going to be bringing 5 lip products. I love lip products so much. I have so many lip products that I really don't need, but I love them so much. So the first thing that I'm going to be bringing is the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Moonchild. I absolutely love this one. I mentioned it in my June favorites. And then I have the ColourPop Lippy Stick in Aquarius. And then I have another ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Neat Freak. And then I have a Maybelline Matte Lipstick in Daringly Nude. And then I have this Sunbum tinted lip balm, and this is in the shade Nude Beach, and I also mentioned this in my June favorites. And then I'm going to be bringing my Real Technique sponge. I like keeping this like in a little towel, and the towel is also good for like when I'm doing my eyeshadow. I'm like really messy with it and like wipe off the brush on the towel, and yeah, it's like clean, but yeah, that's what I do with the Beauty Blender. And then the last thing that I'm bringing is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Absolute staple. You need it in your collection. Like, don't mind the price. It's totally worth it. So for my carry-on, I'm just bringing this backpack. I got it like from Yosemite or something, but it's a really nice backpack. I love using backpacks for my carry-on because you don't have to like put it in the overhead thing. You can just keep it with you. So like whatever you need, you have like right there. But in my carry-on, I'm bringing like chargers. I don't have a laptop that I could bring, so I'm not bringing that. So chargers, a portable charger for my phone. I'm gonna bring melatonin because the flight is gonna be long. I want to be able to sleep. Snacks, blankets, pillows, stuff like that. Just like all travel size things that I can put right in there. I might bring like a little facial spray so that I can mist my face during the flight because it's gonna be long. The longest flight is gonna be from Boston to Amsterdam, so that's gonna be long. And then the weather when I'm gonna be there, I'm going to Ireland, Scotland, and Amsterdam. It's gonna be around like 70 degrees Fahrenheit when I'm there, so I'm just gonna bring like a light jacket just in case it gets like a little chilly at night, and then like long sleeve shirts, some tank tops just in case like, you know, it's like hot wherever I am, jeans, leggings, just stuff like that. And then I'm gonna put like all my underwear and stuff like that in like a little bag because I find that like I always lose my underwear just like in all of my clothes. So I'm just gonna put my underwear in a little bag. There's a little hack for you. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and when you're seeing this video, I'll already be in Europe, so some of the videos even prior to this one have been scheduled and pre-recorded, but yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, bye guys.